Welcome to Ikea. This is the Swedish cafe.
This Ikea store is located at the Mall of Asia in
First time kong
Pasay,
pumunta rito,
and
they were
it is the
asking for my
biggest
vaccination
Ikea store
card.
in the world.
And also,
It is
I needed to register
65,000
online. Pero
square
ngayon,
meters
no, you
or
just directly walk into the
700,000
store
square
and
feet.
no
Pero
one will
para
bat an
sa
eye.
akin, it just looks
You could
like
get an ice cream cone here.
several floors of restos or food spaces.
Swedish bistro.
Anyway, I think I still have to explore the place to fully understand how it functions. Okay, so we made a newbie mistake. You start shopping pala at the 4th floor. This is the 4th floor. Welcome!
Pwede ka nga magtambay. Malaling food. Ka-cute. Gusto ko pumalithin eh. It's 14,990 and I bought this in Shopee for 3,000. Pero syempre, mine was just a copycat. Cute. Makaon ka? Ano, ini food lang. Asya laad to. Tapos na. That quick. We're done. The walk was longer, but that's it, guys. Maybe you want pasabay. I'm in Manila right now, so just tell me and I'll buy you stuff from here if you want.